Hello everyone, welcome to Down Memory Lane. My name is Carly and I am here to show you guys today some awesome page piece layouts. Today we are going to be doing the family page piece kit. There are 13 cardstock die cut pieces in this kit and they are so pretty. There are so many gorgeous colors in this to choose from. I had a really fun time picking out some cardstock and some pattern paper from my collection to go with this pack, and I am so excited to see how it's all going to come together. I hope that you guys really like this video. If you do, make sure to give it a thumbs up below. Comment if you like it as well. The really cool thing about cardstock die cut pieces in these page pieces kits, you guys, is that they give you this really cool sample layout, which is super awesome. Today we are not going to be doing the sample layout, but just so you guys know, when you purchase these, they do come with a sample layout on the back using these, as well as the Simple Stories page templates, which we will also be using today. But I'm going to try and show you guys a different way than they give you to use these, and I think that having as many options as possible is really fun when scrapbooking. So I'll show you guys how I'm going to be using these, and we can go ahead and get started. So to start out, you guys, I did pre-cut some paper. I actually decided to do something I don't normally do today, which is using an entire sheet of pattern paper to try and create some really cool stuff going on. So I actually cut this pattern paper in half. This is one piece of paper, which is super fun. So this is like each side of the paper that I used, and I cut it out like a heart. First I cut the piece of paper in half, and then I cut out each half so that I could use each side of the pattern paper to create this really cool heart on this side. So this side is polka dot, this side is sort of distressed. And I thought it would be really cool when talking about family and loved ones to really just encapsulate all of that with a big heart. And then on this side, I went ahead and used what was left from this 12 by 12 piece of paper that I cut out to create another heart, but without any center. So as you can see, this comes straight from the middle here. We have polka dots on one side, distressed on the other, and two really nice heart shapes on our paper. So I decided to do that. I am gonna go ahead and adhesive these down just because it'll make the next process go a lot easier if these aren't all over the place. So to adhesive today, I'm going to be using my Easy Runner, which is what I always use to adhesive. It is my favorite adhesive tool. It's super nice. There's so much adhesive that comes in this, you guys, and it's refillable. So if you guys want to save some cash, you can always just buy this. It comes in a pack with just this red part. It comes with the inside part, or you can get a pack that has both. So it's super nice. So if you are planning to use a lot of adhesive and you want to refill, this is the tool for you. So I'm going to be using this to go ahead and adhesive down all of my pieces. So now that I have this adhesive down, I am going to go ahead and show you guys what I'm going to do for my photos. So to do my photos today, I actually used two of the Simple Stories page templates. I used one of these 4x6 ones. This is design number 4, so it gives you two 4x6 photos. And I used design number 5 as well, and it gives you 4 4x4 photos. And I use them on these pages. I actually am only gonna do one 4x6 photo on this page, but I did use this to cut my mat as well as size my photo. And on this side, I am gonna have a mat as well, and I have 4 photos. So I'm gonna use this entire thing. I'm only using half of this one. And for these, I went ahead and pre-cut those already. So I have this mat right here, and I have this mat right here, and then I have my photos to go on those. So this is kind of the general layout we are going to be looking at today. And I think it's going to end up being really cute. I also had a little bit of the polka dot yellow paper left over, so I took and I made 2 small hearts as kind of my own version of a die cut piece to use in this collection. And I'm just going to kind of adhesive all of this down so that I can come back in and arrange this all with my page pieces. So again, I'm going to be using my Easy Runner to adhesive all of this down. All right, that is what it looks like adhesive down. The next thing I can do is pull in my page pieces. I think these are going to end up being super cute. I tried to not only pull in some of the colors, but there were a lot of hearts with this one, and so I thought it was cute to try and mimic some of that. I always start with the biggest piece in my collection. It is the easiest way to try and make sure everything's gonna fit. And look at how cute that fits in for my title. Then I just try and figure out where my next biggest pieces are gonna go. And from there, I just keep going. So I'm gonna go ahead and lay all these all out, and then I'll adhesive these down. To adhesive these, I'm gonna be using my Easy Runner, but I'm also gonna be using some of my 3D mounting squares, which are my favorite because it basically makes everything look like a thicker, makes things stand out really nice. And I'll also be using my Nuvo Deluxe Adhesive Clear Drying Craft Glue. I love Nuvo adhesive because it's got this really nice tiny tip, and it's really nice for laying down some of the really tiny pieces, which we have quite a bit of today. So I'm super excited. I'm gonna go ahead, lay them all out, and then we'll start adhesiving things down. All right, this is my final layout, and I'm actually super really happy with how this turned out. I really like how, when I cut this out, I wasn't super sure how it was gonna turn out. But when I added these flowers to it, I feel like it almost looks like it's like a sort of a wreath around this. And I think it turned out super cute. So I'm really excited with it. I ended up liking having one photo on this page because this title is so big. I think it ended up being really great. And I think this could be a really cool place to have like a big family photo. And so I'm really happy with this one, and I'm super excited about it. So if you guys liked anything that is in this video, be that adhesive, or maybe it's some of the cardstock, or especially the page pieces, we have those in our store. So head to our description, and that will bring you to Down Memory Lane, which is our online store. It's downmemoryln.com. And I'm super excited for you guys to get your hands on some of this really cute stuff. I think it turns out really cute when you put it together. If you guys like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That is youtube.com/downmemorylane, and like this video. I hope that you guys have a great rest of your night, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.